Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the pirate chest in which it came on Roblox Pirate Cove update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, there will be pirate chest that you can find and you will get reward from the chest. And basically if you want to find the chest, you just need to go to the Pirate Cove Island and then you can search right here on the island, or you can find it in the jungle of this island. Okay, and from the chest guys, you'll be able to get rewards, and the rewards will be dloons and then potion or bait, and yeah, you can get a lot of rewards from there. And this is the chest I found. Okay, this is the pirate chest, and for your information guys, the location of the chest will be so random. You can find it on the Pirate Cove, and it will be different from one server to another server, but every server will have this chest. It will spawn in every server, and this chest will help you to finish the Dead Man's Treasure quest, because you need to find chest and find the letters hidden in it. But not all chests can give you letters. And let's see. Oh, I got 20 dloons. And yeah, just find the chest if you want to get rewards and to find the letters. Okay guys, and that's all about the pirate chest in Fish 8 game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!